Siraj sir, first of all, thank you very much for coming and gracing this occasion. It's a very small interview. Would like to have your immediate reaction and your some feedback on what you've seen up to now.
देखिए जी, I'm clearly blown away with the event itself. It's very well organized. You've got a lot of people from abroad here as
Yes,
well. So that's all exciting to see from that perspective. वो मैं जो पहले भी आपको कह रहा था कि SECP में एक recognition है that we may have ignored the sector. Penetration levels versus where they are in the region, we can do a lot better. So हमारा message और मेरे आने का मकसद भी ये था कि बताना कि जी with interaction, with jointly trying to do things together, looking at development of the sector together, we can clearly do better at penetration levels and where they are in the region. It's a bit of a shame that we're not even at 1% while neighboring countries are at 3 or 4%.
3.5 to 4%.
So काम बहुत है, but SECP is with the industry. We're hoping कि साथ मिलके
Inshallah.
इसके penetration level को बेहतर करेंगे.
Thank you very much, Siraj sir. Your
Not at
words
all.
are like music to our ears. Thank you very much.
Not at all.
बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया.
Not at all. शुक्रिया.